Once upon a time, in a magical land called Animalphabetica, a group of animals decided to go on an amazing adventure. Each animal represented a different letter of the alphabet, and together they were about to explore the wonders of their special world. The adventure started with Annie the Antelope, a fast and bouncy animal leading the way. She hopped through the tall grass, and the other animals followed, amazed by the beautiful sights they saw along the way. They came across a little bear named Benny, who was kind and friendly. Benny showed them the way through a big forest, pointing out all the wonderful things hidden within the trees. Next, they met Charlie the cheetah. Charlie was super speedy, and the animals raced alongside him across the grassy plains. They felt the wind in their fur and had so much fun. Then they reached the ocean, where they met Daisy the dolphin. Daisy was graceful and swam with the animals, showing them the colorful coral reefs and the playful sea turtles. The animals were mesmerized by the underwater world. Eager to explore more, they flew up to the sky with Edwin the Eagle. Edwin soared high above the mountains, showing them secret caves where they discovered beautiful crystals sparkling in the dark. As they continued their adventure, they found themselves in a magical forest. There, they met Felicity the Fox, who was clever and helped them find their way through the tricky paths. With Felicity's help, they overcame challenges and continued their journey. They then arrived in a jungle where they met George the gorilla. George was strong and protective, and he guided them through the dense trees, making sure everyone stayed safe. In the middle of the jungle, they discovered a hidden oasis guarded by Holly the Hedgehog. The animals rested in the shade and drank from the cool water, listening to Holly's stories about the ancient times. As they walk by, there's a special animal called Isabella the Iguana. Isabella is a colorful and curious iguana who loves to explore. Isabella is very good at climbing and can go very high up in the trees. She uses her skills to discover secret treasures hidden in the treetops. Isabella's presence makes the adventure even more fun. Their journey came to a special land ruled by Jack the Jaguar. Jack led them through mysterious caves filled with ancient treasures and paintings that told stories of their ancestors. It was a place filled with wonder and amazement. The adventure continues with Kelly, the kangaroo, a bouncy and energetic animal. Kelly hopped through tall grass, and the other animals followed along. They saw beautiful landscapes and met interesting creatures. In a green meadow, they met Leo the lion, the king of the animal kingdom. Leo's roar was loud and powerful. He led the group through a thick jungle, showing them the amazing things hidden inside. As they continued their adventure, they came to a winding river. There, they met Max the monkey, who swung from tree to tree. Max was very playful and made everyone laugh. They had so much fun together. They also explored the deep ocean and met Norah the Narwhal, a special creature with a long, spiraling tusk. Norah swam gracefully in the water and showed them beautiful coral reefs and colorful fish. It was like being in a magical underwater world. In a cold, icy place, they met Oliver the Orca, a big and beautiful whale with black and white skin. Oliver swam in icy waters and showed them huge ice formations called glaciers. Their adventure took them to Penelope the penguin, a cute bird that looked like it was wearing a tuxedo. Penelope walked with funny little steps and showed them how penguins slide on the ice and swim together in the cold water. In a faraway mountain range, they met Quincy the quokka, a small and friendly animal. Quincy hopped around happily and showed them colorful plants and hidden creatures. They had lots of fun exploring the mountains. As they walked through winding paths, they met Rosie the rabbit, a soft and furry animal with long ears. Rosie showed them cozy burrows and taught them how to hop and nibble on fresh vegetables. It was so much fun being like a rabbit. In rocky landscapes, they found Sasha, the snow leopard, wearing a beautiful spotted fur. Sasha showed them how to climb high cliffs and jump from rock to rock. They saw stunning views and met other animals that live in the mountains. Then, they came across Timmy the tiger, a big and strong cat with orange and black stripes. Timmy showed them how tigers stalk their prey with stealth and jump high to catch them. It was impressive to watch. They also explored a dense forest and met Uma the Wakari, a lively monkey with a bright red face. Uma swung from tree branches and showed them the secrets of the jungle. They saw many different plants and animals living there. In the sky above, they met Victor the vulture, a large bird with broad wings. Victor flew high in the sky and guided them through the tall trees. They learned about the forest and the animals that live there. Next, they encountered Wendy the wolf, a beautiful animal with a thick fur coat. Wendy howled at the moon, and her howl was both haunting and mesmerizing. In a peaceful pond, they met Xavier the xenopus, a small African clawed frog with a unique name. Xavier hopped and swam in the water, showing them how frogs can breathe through their skin. They were amazed by Xavier's special skills. In a peaceful meadow, they came across Yara the yak. Yara had long, shaggy hair and big horns that curved outward. Yara grazed on the grass, showing the group how yaks are adapted to live in mountainous regions. They learned about yaks' resilience to cold temperatures and their importance to the local communities. Finally, they reached the grasslands, where they were greeted by Zoe, the zebra. Zoe's black and white stripes stood out against the golden landscape. She galloped across the plains, showing the group her zebra friends and teaching them about the importance of unity and harmony. With joyful hearts and a treasure trove of memories, the animals bid farewell to Alphabetica and returned to their homes. They carried with them the lessons learned, the bonds forged, and the knowledge that their united spirit had made the journey unforgettable.